I want to show you some things here that should make you feel better here. Okay, just hang in there, guys. We have a very good support level coming up here, right around 70 cents, if it makes it that low. All right, I'm going to go in here and show it to you. Let me get these alarms off here first. Had some alarms set to go off. If we get there, we get this one out of here. All right, maybe. Where's it at? I'm going to get that off there. Just because I don't like them. There we go. Okay, just for my video. All right, now let's move on here, guys. Just hang with me here, okay? Very important stuff to show you guys, and want to put your mind at ease a little bit. That's what this market does, man. It shakes you out, okay? And then boom, see you later. It takes off. So number one, let's go over here. I want to close that out. So let's go over here to and look at the market cap and see what's going on CoinGecko. The current price is 72,688.2, down 5.5%. All right, the market cap 182 million. 24-hour trading volume is at 3 million bucks. All right, TVL, total value locked, is right around $20 million. The fully diluted valuation to total value locked is $9.14. All right, so we go down through here. The last, look, you can see here, the last 7 days down 7.8. Last 14 days almost 20%. 30 days 20%. 1 year we're down 23.1%. Not too bad really for the year, down 23%. There's wow, not too shabby at all. The all-time high, $15.50, and you can see that right up here on Tuesday, July the 6th, 2021. All right, so that's the all-time high they have here on CoinGecko. We're ranked number 161, okay, and we're going to take a look at some stuff here that ought to make you feel good. How about that all-time, look at this all-time low. That is insane, and the price from the all-time low. I don't know if that's that cannot be accurate. They must have just threw this number in here about 2 years ago. August the 12th of 2021. August the 12th. August 11th. August 11th was $2.10. August the 12th. Damn it. I can't even get that right on there. Anyway, it was around $2 on August the 12th of 2021, so that's not true right there. The all-time low is actually looks like it's right in there. What is it? At a wick down there, $1.56. I don't know what this wick down is here. I can't get it to hit it. Let me see here. There we go. We can zoom in there a little bit. Right there. It's August the 12th. Look at that. I don't know what the heck happened there, but pretty crazy, really. Let's zoom in on it a little bit deeper. Look at this. Went from 210 down to 0. Boy, oh boy. Wish that must have been a wick down. Wouldn't it have been nice to have a buy order down here at 0 cents? You know, you have a buy order down there. Maybe it was 0.01 or something, a penny. Oh my God. Wonder if anybody did actually buy in there. You can see the volume down here. Not really. Volume 4.3 million. And when it hit there, $4,897. Somebody got it down there. $4,897. Pretty cool. Anyway, let's move on here, guys. Here's the site for Shibaswap. Everything's up and running fine. Leash is at 281.98. That's pretty impressive. 281.98. Doge Killer 284.62. Not too bad. Market cap of $30 million. What is the circulating supply on this? 107,000. Wow, that's really low. Unbelievable. 107,000. Market cap of 30 million. This thing's got a lot of potential. I might have to start covering this. Let's put a chart up for that leash Once in a while we will cover that because that is in the ecosystem, you know. Leash, we have a chart. Large holders, number of whales. One leash USDT. Where are we at here? I just don't want to forget to get this. Holy cow, they got a pile of leash slash USDT. I'll pull it up later. Alright, anyway, let's move on here, guys. We looked at that. FXS. Alright, I don't need that. Let's go back to this chart now. Alright, I got some stuff to show you guys because a triangle, symmetrical triangle, alright, this here, you can see, alright, the price came up from the bottom, okay, and we had one top, a bottom, we had lower highs on the bottom. We had this low, a higher low, a higher low, and a higher low. A lower high, lower high, lower high, and a lower high. So lower highs and higher lows, all right, they break out. Ascending triangles, same thing, all right. Here you had lower or higher lows and slightly lower highs, and it busts out pretty close to the same thing here, okay. Now descending triangle. You have lower highs and you have a flat bottom on here, okay, and that's expected to break down. But you can see both of these are bullish patterns, ascending triangles and symmetricals. They both tend to break to the upside. So if we come over here, look at this chart, we have right here, right, we have this low. We have a higher low here. We have a higher low here. And so far we have a higher low right here. Alright, so we have higher lows, and up here we have this high, a lower high, a lower high. Okay, so if you go back to the symmetrical triangle, lower highs and higher lows. Even on this one, lower highs and higher lows tend to break to the upside. You have this last push down, then it breaks up out. Okay, now this one here has total 1, 2, 3, 3 full structures in here. 1, 2, 3. This one has 4. We get back here, we have 1, 2, 3. Price came right here from the bottom. It was lower than our top. This came in at the top, came down. This one here was a descending triangle. Price came down. Okay, on here price came up. So everything is forming out just fine on this thing. All right, I just want to quell your fears here. Now let's look at this chart. All right, if we can zoom in here, this is on the monthly. Okay, on the monthly chart, we get rid of this one here. All right, you can see here support level right here back in May, a support level back here in December. All right, another support through here. We have support through here, here, here. Solid support level right at about, what's this at? Right at about 70 cents. All right, could we come down there? Absolutely. Where we're at right now, I don't see a lot of structure, you know, as far as wicks go. You know, these wicks come down to this line, to this line. This one's right on it. This one closed right on it, closed on it. Wick down to it, wick down to it. So I don't see any. I think it's coming down right to that 70 cents. It's going to shake a lot more people out. If we go into the 4 hour, let's take a look at this volume and see what happened here. Okay, see if people, yeah, you got people selling. You know, there you go. 66,000. 141,000. What a shame. They're going to regret this. 77,000. Now let's go into the hourly. You have a lot of people sitting down here waiting for that 70 cents. Wow. What a shame. All these people right here. I feel bad for you. I really do, because I honestly believe in my heart. The 70 cents, that if it comes down there, that's the bottom. That's it. Boom. Right there. Let's jack that line up a little bit so we can see it better. Let's go on the daily. All right, you have a lot of fake outs in structures. Okay, perfectly common, all right, but you can see clearly low, higher low, higher low, and even if it comes down to the 70 cents, that's a higher low. Okay, so we got our higher lows and lower highs at the top, and this thing should be ready to go. Let's look at the RSIs, guys. Look at the weekly. 2.6 and 2.4, bullish. Absolutely at the bottom. All right, I'm going to enlarge these so we can see them better. All right, we're not looking at the price, we're looking at these. I wanted to show you something down here on the bottom. Now look at this line, this yellow line I put here. See where this one bounced? Right at the yellow line, that's when it took off. This one bounced a little earlier. This one got down to the yellow line, boom. This one is just about there, and this thing should take off, okay? I believe, let me see something here. The price we had. Okay, alright, nothing going on there. And this thing could take off from here. But anyway, the weekly RSI, look at this thing, perfectly at the bottom. The daily, just about there. That's why I believe it's going to come down to that 70 cents. Looks like it's going to pull down just a hair more. So keep your eye on 70 cents. Pretty much on the dot. 69.98 it could hit. Somewhere right around there. Okay, we got the daily coming down just a hair. The 12 on the floor. All zeros. Look how oversold it is down here. It's down at a 24. Massively oversold. That's what you want to see for huge runs up. 8 hour. Look at that. It's down at a 22. Right here, 4.55, 4 point, right at the bottom. Your 4 hour. And have faith, guys. I'm telling you, 4 hours just about reset. Look how oversold. It's down to 21. And your hourly is down at a 25, and it's just starting its way up. Okay, so these RSIs are absolutely like ready to go, and it's a shame because I hate to see people sell. If you don't know how to look for support levels and figure charts out, it can really hurt you in the end. I mean, if you sell 100 bone right here at this price, just 100. Okay, you sell it 72 cents, and this thing breaks out of the top and heads to what was our target up there? Pretty high. I apologize, guys, if you hear the allergies. Got a little bit of allergies going on. They're heading away, though. Wintertime's coming, and they won't bother me as much anymore. I took an allergy pill, but sometimes they just don't work as you'd like them to. All right, let's take a look here. If we get a breakout at the top, even let's say way down here, let's go with the lowest point. All right, looking at $3.22. If it breaks out up here, $3.50. And if you sell 100 bone at 70 cents, okay, you're going to lose out about $300. All right, just on that. If it breaks out, nothing is guaranteed. Please don't bet your life on this. Right now it could end up doing one of these. Could end up coming back up here, hitting the top, and doing one more down, and then our breakout. It absolutely could do that. If you look at these symmetrical triangles, you can see how they squeeze that last one in here, and that absolutely could happen. All right, no question about it. It could run back up here to $1.56, and if we see that RSI, let's pull it up. Whoop, sorry about that. I always forget to hit that dang thing. Let's get these off here. I'm going to show you the RSI. Something you want to keep an eye on. If it does that, we're going to know, because we're going to keep an eye on the RSIs and see what's going on here. Okay. Now, here we go with that weekly. All right. Every time these massive runs have happened, we've gone over this. The weekly's been at the bottom. Massive run. Weekly's at the bottom. Massive run. Weekly's at the bottom. Massive run. The weekly's at the bottom again. Okay, so if this weekly is heading up, all right, heading up like this, and it's just about at the top and starting to roll over, and we're at the top of this wedge, then we know we have one more run down, okay, before the big hammer out the top. So we'll keep an eye on this thing, but absolutely hang in there, guys. Not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research with all that stuff and look into things. But you know, just because this thing has dropped a couple more pennies, you know, don't put it, if you're that concerned about it, put a stop loss down there, you know, at 65 cents or something, you know, if you're that concerned. There's all kinds of support down through here. The bounce is coming. It will come, you know. Like I said, do your own research with stuff like that, but I hate to see people selling down here. You hold the whole way up here, you know, you buy here and you ride it the whole way up to the top, $1.80, you know, then it comes crashing down the other side. You know, you see these people selling at the bottom. Why would you? You know, right here it was down to 80 cents. Okay, 80 cents. You got people selling at 73 cents. You know, and if this thing bounces and takes off from here to the top here, that's 124%. All right, if it goes back up there to $1.56. All right, and then if it comes back, if it retraces back down from here, you know, there's minus 37. All right, and then it bounces back up the other side, you know, and takes off to that top. Let's see here, right down here to the top, you're looking at almost a 3x, 275%. All right, so all right, guys, thank you so very much. Please hit the like and subscribe. That helps me very, very much. And you know, I do this for you guys. All right, I don't make much money doing these videos. All right, I just do it to, if I can help somebody. You know, then that's what I try to do. That gives me the most joy of all. So just I believe with my heart, hang in there a little bit and do what you want to do, you know, seriously. But everything is pointing, you know, to a breakout here sometime. All right, even if we have one more move up, one more move down to finish this triangle out, so what? In the end, it'll be worth it. All right. All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate everything you guys do, and I'll talk to you soon.